Signing of the United Nations Charter. On June 26, 1945, in the auditorium of the Veterans Memorial Building in San Francisco, United States, representatives of 50 nations gathered to sign a document aimed at preventing humanity from committing the horrors of a world war again. The United Nations Charter was the result of the United Nations Conference on International Organization, which lasted 2 months, and officially established the creation of the UN, replacing the ineffective League of Nations. The world was still at war in the Pacific, Japan would only surrender in August, and Europe was in ruins, giving the delegates an immense sense of urgency and historical responsibility. The Charter codified principles of human rights, national sovereignty, self-determination of peoples, and the prohibition of the use of force in international relations, except in self-defense or with collective authorization. The structure created by the Charter reflected the geopolitical reality of 1945. The Security Council was established, with 5 permanent members: USA, USSR, UK, France, and China, holding veto power, a pragmatic concession to ensure the great powers remained in the organization. Unlike what occurred with the League, the Charter begins with the powerful phrase, "We the peoples of the United Nations determine to save succeeding generations from the scourge of war." Poland, which could not send representatives due to post-war political instability, signed the Charter months later, becoming the 51st original founding state. The ratification of the document on October 24, 1945, marked the official birth of the UN. Although the organization has faced criticisms and challenges over the decades, the signing of June 26 remains the foundational moment of the modern international order and the hope for cooperative global governance. Leave a comment if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.